Do you need to connect your CoinDCX to your Phantom Wallet? Well, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so I'm doing this on the web browser. I have the Phantom Wallet extension right over here. You can see this is my Phantom Wallet. And the same steps you will be able to do this successfully with on the Phantom app. So you'll see all of the same options. We're going to start over here. And depending on what it is that you would like to transfer, this is how you're going to connect them. We're going to go over here and we're going to click on receive. So I'm going to use Solana, and you can either use this button over here. You'll see that there is a QR code. And if you are using your phone, you can now jump into the CoinDCX app and scan this. And then you will be able to receive this Solana from this Phantom Wallet. So what you'll do is you'll jump into CoinDCX and you will tap on send. So you're going to be sending from CoinDCX into this account over here. Once you've tapped on send, you'll either paste this address in, or you will scan that QR code, and within a few seconds your currency will be transferred from CoinDCX to your Phantom Wallet.